Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download files or folders from Google Drive. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just want to go to Google Drive. So what are the files will be shared from your Gmail or any types of files it will store in your Google Drive. So on your right hand side you will find a Google Apps. So just go to Drive, or you just type a drive.google.com, so it will automatically move into your Google Drive application page. So this is a Google Drive which you can share the data, so you can download the data and you can see the data from anywhere else. So simple and easiest laptop files will be stored in your Google Drive. So what are the email details, files or anything else, everything will be stored in your drive. Yes, so this is my Google Drive. So this is my account. So this is my Google Drive files. So if you want to see the folders, you just click it to the folders. You can see the folders. So totally files and folders will be available. You can download all the files and folders. What you have to do here. So if you just select this KG means, so this is my PPT presentation which will be stored in my Google Drive. I just select here, automatically it will show the download key over here. So I just click here to download. So converting to the PowerPoint, so it will download within a second. It will download and it will show in my system or laptop as you see here. So I just click here to save. Automatically my file will be stored in my laptop and you can able to see. So if I want to select all the files to download, so I just click a Control A to select all. Totally 20 items are there, everything will be selected over here. So Control A for all keys will be selected, that is select all. So I just click here to download. Automatically everything will be downloading as a zipping file as you see here. So 20 files will be zipping and it will download and store in my laptop, that is local drive. For example, if your drive is full, I just want to download and clean the files, you can download this one. So simple and easiest tip. Yes, my files is downloaded over here. I can able to see, I can able to save the file. So yes, so my entire file will be downloading and storing over here. So simple and easiest tip. I just want to download the folders. Just click here to folders, the same option which you can select multiple folders and just click here to download. Automatically it will prepare the zipping option, it will download the folders and you can keep the folders. So show more options to please show the folders and you can see that. And one more important thing, if my files will be stored or shared someone else, so I just click it for the shared with me. So if there anything shared with me, I just click here to download the shared with me also. So simple and easiest tip. For example, if you want to download your files, just choose the file and download icon, or Control A for select all the file you can download, or you can drive in your folder or files you can download, or shared with me file also you can download. So use this option, download the file and use in a local system and work. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.